Hello guys, in this session I am going to explain you what all data types. In Python we have to note one important point, that is values have a data type, not a variables, and I will explain you in built data types. There is so many categories. I am explaining you one by one. Categories are numeric, iterator, sequences, mapping, file, class, exception. There is so many uh, data types, inbuilt data types in these categories. You can check this PPT. I will explain you what all numeric data types. In the next session, I will continue with the numeric data types. Remaining all the categories, I will explain one by one in future. In numeric data types, integers keyword is int. Actually, this integer data type contains a positive and negative whole number without decimal and fractional values. There is a no limitation for integer storage. You can take as resources available, how much resources is available. The same you can utilize in Python. After running out of resources only, it limits you. There is no limit for integer in Python. Floats. Float is the keyword. It contains a real number at the same time with a decimal point. In scientific notation, it uses E or capital E. Okay, same like other languages. Here in Python, complex numbers are given as a priority. In mathematics, we will use complex numbers. Python have this facility for a calculation. In this numeric data types, complex numbers are contains a real part and imaginary part with J. Example, you can look into the PPT. Booleans, so many uh, languages have a boolean as a data type. Normally in C, it represented as a 1 or 0, but in Python, it is true or false.